In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install the Performance Labelizer as a script. So this is for single accounts, and we also have an MCC version, which we also have a video. So if you scroll to the videos, you can see that we have the MCC version. For the single account, what you need to do is go to the script environment. You do this by going to Tools in Google Ads, then to Bulk Actions and Scripts. And there you can click on the button to create a new script. After you've done this, you need to paste in the script, the code of the script, and you also need to enable the shopping content API. You do this by going to the advanced APIs in the top right corner, and you click shopping content and then save. After you've done that, you can preview the script. It starts running and shows a pop-up, and in the pop-up you need to authorize the script. After you've authorized the script, then you can change the spreadsheet URL. You need to copy the existing spreadsheet URL into your browser, and then you will duplicate the document. And when you have duplicated the document, then the new URL, you need to place it into the script. And you do that by placing it after the var is spreadsheet URL. After you've done that, then you can close the script and you can set the frequency of which the script will run. We recommend to set it to daily, because then the data is always up to date on a daily basis. You do this by going to your script overview and then setting the frequency to daily. And then in our next video, we talk about how we configure the spreadsheet, because you need to change a few things there. For example, you merge the center ID and row as target. So that's everything for now.